Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where mouse cursor has disappeared on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now first of all, press the FN key plus the mouse key on your function base amongst F1 to F12 if you find it. If that helps, well and good. If not, then here's what you can do. Now use the keyboard, the tab keys and all. Okay, let me show you the tab keys and all to go to search and then search for device manager. I'm using the mouse, but you can use the keyboard and use tab to reach the right drivers. Okay, I'm using tab here so that I can show you, and you can expand mice and other pointing devices and right click and update both the drivers. Okay, does that help? If it doesn't help, then try restarting the computer. Right click on the start button, shut down and sign out, and then restart the computer. And if that doesn't help either, then try reattaching your mouse and check if it happens, if it helps. That is if you're using a desktop. If you're using a laptop, then the touchpad button should always be there. So this is what all can be done. If not, then there's one last solution, which is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.